Computers and information technology. The introduction of personal computers in the 1970s and 1980s revolutionized how businesses and individuals processed information. Companies like Apple and IBM played crucial roles in making computers accessible to the general public. The proliferation of computers facilitated the automation of tasks, increased productivity, and led to the creation of entirely new industries centered around software and services. The emergence of the Internet further accelerated the digital revolution. Initially developed as a military project, the Internet became a public phenomenon in the 1990s, connecting people and businesses worldwide. This connectivity fostered the exchange of information at unprecedented speeds, enabling innovations in communication, commerce, and entertainment. Impact on industries. The digital revolution transformed numerous industries by introducing new business models and streamlining operations. Manufacturing processes became more efficient through the integration of computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) systems, allowing for precise and rapid production. In the service sector, digital technology facilitated the rise of e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay, changing the way consumers purchased goods. The financial industry also experienced a major shift with the advent of online banking and digital payment systems, making transactions faster and more secure. The media and entertainment industries were profoundly impacted as well. Digital technology enabled the creation and distribution of content through platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify, transforming how people consumed media. Telecommunications and connectivity. The development of mobile technology and wireless communication has been a cornerstone of the Third Industrial Revolution. The introduction of mobile phones and later smartphones allowed people to access information and communicate from virtually anywhere. The evolution from 2G to 5G networks has significantly improved data transmission speeds and connectivity, enabling the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT. IoT refers to the network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data, leading to smarter homes, cities, and industries. This connectivity allows for real-time monitoring and control, improving efficiency and decision-making processes. Social and economic implications. The Third Industrial Revolution has had profound social and economic implications. It has created new job opportunities in technology and innovation-driven sectors while also leading to the displacement of certain jobs due to automation and digitization. The digital divide remains a significant challenge, as access to technology and the Internet is not evenly distributed globally. Bridging this gap is essential to ensure that all populations can benefit from the advancements brought about by the digital revolution. Environmental considerations. The Third Industrial Revolution has also contributed to environmental awareness and sustainability efforts. Digital technologies enable better monitoring and management of resources, leading to more efficient energy use and reduced waste. The rise of renewable energy technologies, such as solar and wind power, is supported by digital innovation, paving the way for a more sustainable future. The future of the digital revolution. As we continue to navigate the third industrial revolution, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and blockchain are set to redefine industries and economies further. AI, in particular, holds the potential to revolutionize fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation by providing insights and automating complex tasks. Blockchain technology, known for its role in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, offers secure and transparent methods for conducting transactions and managing data. Its potential applications range from supply chain management to secure voting systems. Conclusion: the third industrial revolution has fundamentally altered the way we live, work, and interact with each other. As digital technologies continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly bring new challenges and opportunities. Embracing these changes and addressing the challenges will be crucial for ensuring a future where technology benefits all of humanity.